In this lesson, I'll show you how to derive the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. To do that, we'll use an example. It's a sequence we have 3, 7, 11, 15, and 19, and so on. The first thing we need to look at is the difference between each term of the sequence. We can see to get from 3 to 7, we would add 4. 7 to 11, we add another 4. 11 to 15, add 4. 15 to 19, add another 4, and so on. We assume that pattern will continue. That's the definition of an arithmetic sequence. That number must be constant. So in this case, the common difference is 4. And the first term will let be equal to a, which is 3. We can now write our terms into the table. The first term is 3, so that's the first term. Term 2 is 7, second term. Term 3 is 11, so 3. 15 is the fourth term. 19 is the fifth term. And we have n terms in our sequence. Now we'll write our terms into the table. We have 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, and this is the nth term, a subscript n. What we note now is for the second term, which is 7, we can write that as 3 plus 1 times 4, which is 7. The third term, 11, can be written as 3 plus 2 times the common difference. The fourth term can be written as 3 plus 3 times the common difference. And the fifth term can be written as 3 plus 4 times the common difference. We'll write these terms now in terms of a and d. So as we mentioned, a is 3. So we'll call that a. So the second term we have is a plus 1 times 4, and 4 was d. So that's a plus d. The third term is a plus 2 times the common difference, d. The fourth term, a plus 3 times d. The fifth term, a plus 4d. What we try to observe now is the term number here, which is 2, and this value for our term here is 1. This is 3, this is 2, this is 4, this is 3, this is 5, this is 4. We see that in each case, this value, 4, is 1 less than the value of n. At this stage, we can write down the formula for the nth term of the sequence. So we have an is a plus, now because this value 4 is 1 less than the 5 and 3 is less than 4, we have to reduce that by 1. So a plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which remains 4 in this question. So that would be d. So that's the formula for the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. Now we can use this formula to calculate the 25th term of this sequence. So we have a subscript 25, because n is 25. Then we have the first term, which is a, that's 3, plus n minus 1, so 25 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 4. So we'll have 3 plus 24 times 4, which gives you a value of 99 for your final answer. We'll do some more examples of this formula in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching.